Welcome to another edition of our podcast, Your Focus-Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. You want to have a threesome? Stay tuned, and I tell you what I'm talking about. Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Your Focus-Driven Day with your podcaster, Lyman Montgomery. Well, we got a good one today. Stop having a threesome, leave one, and keep the other. Listen, when it comes to your life, and this is what I found out about people that want to be successful. Let's say you have a business. It's almost like a threesome. And what do I mean by a threesome? Put the kids away. No, this is the PG show. You see, work tends to interfere with personal life. Why? We bring work home. Or our personal life, if you are an employee, tends to interfere with work. We bring problems from home into the workplace. And the third problem is we're stuck in the middle. And it's hard a lot of times for us to juggle work and home. And they came up with a nice term, work-life balance. Throw it out the window. Work-life balance, it sounds cute, it sounds nice, it doesn't work. The truth of the matter is you need to focus on one and leave the other. Listen, when you're at work, you need to focus on work. And when you're at home, you need to focus on what? Home. They do not mix. And that's why a lot of you are having problems in your relationships, problems at work, is you're trying to have a threesome with home and work. Focus in on one. Now, let me share something with you. You see, point number one, it's oftentimes our personal life interferes with our work. Point number two, our work tends to interfere with our home life. And point number three, we need to choose. Now, how do you do that? Let me give you a quick, simple remedy. When you're at work, let your family know when I'm at work, I'm at work. If you work at home, put a sign on the door. If you work from home, you need to have a dedicated space that your family know that from this time to this time, I'm at work. Treat it like a real job. When you leave work, you need to shut it down and you need to give 110% of your time, your energy, and your focus on your family. If you would do those simple strategies, you will be able to get out of a threesome and into a monogamous, healthy relationship with your home and also with your job, and you're not cheating on either one of them. Hey, I'm out of time, but never out of things to say. I'm your podcaster, Lyman Montgomery, with another edition of Your Focus-Driven Day. Do me a favor as always, stay safe and always stay focused, my friend.